Sa limited reality series na Heart World, mapapanood ng malapitan ang maraming bagay na nangyari sa buhay ni global fashion icon Heart Evangelista sa nagdaang taon. Kabilang dyan ang makulay na mundo ng fashion, ang behind the scenes ng nakakapagod na pinagdaanan niya para maging glamorous at syempre ang masasaya at mapapait na naranasan niya at ng kanyang pamilya. Maipapakita rin ang ilang mga relasyong pinili ni Heart na talikuran. Sa media conference ng Heart World, present sina GMA Network Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez at iba pang opisyal ng Kapuso Network.
I don't want to down anyone just so they kind of get the story, diba? But definitely, it's not about pointing fingers at anyone. It's a self-reflection also of even my mistakes.
It's a diary. You said it was a diary. Wow. Nakakatakot mag-expose ng diary.
Napaka.
Sa one-on-one interview sa Kapuso Global Fashion Icon, sinagot niya sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang ilang may init na usapin sa social media. Partikular na ang estado nila ng kanyang mga nakasama sa Paris ng maraming taon, ang kanyang dating glam team. Nasasaktan pa rin daw siya, pero napag-aralan na niyang mag-move on.
I don't hate anyone because I believe in love. You know, I really truly believe in love. And I feel like even like for me being vulnerable, for me being angry is because I just love very passionately.
You're human.
Yes, and I would like to fight for everybody in my life. Siguro ganito na lang yun. Kasi mababaliw ako kakaisip. Ang tatandaan ko na lang is yung mga taong minahal ko ng mga time. Yun lang. Di ko isipin kung ano talaga sila o ano sila ngayon. Hindi ko binabasa kung ano man yung mga nasasabi online. But I will try to cherish the times that I thought mahal nila. I have to learn to slowly unlove people. And that's painful for me.
Nang mapag-usapan si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach na active rin sa mga fashion events.
Once and for all. Woman to woman, I never had a problem with Pia. In fact, I was one of those who cheered for her in the past. And I'd like to think that it was the same for her. Nagano pa nga siya ng hashtag dati na Heart Made Me Do It. So I was very touched. But I really truly wish her the best. Sana maging okay siya at sana hindi niya maranasan yung mga naranasan ko sa nakaraan.
Ang mensahe ni Heart, ceasefire na raw dahil mas marami ang nasasaktan kapag pinag-aaway sila ng mga tao.
At sana ganun na lang. Supportahan na lang nila. Let's both, parang I'll stay on my lane. Let everybody just do their thing. And wag na sila mag-away-away. Nakakasakit pa kayo lalo.
Including the fans, no?
Lahat. Ceasefire. Nangyari na yung nangyari. Ayan na siya. So, from here, and let's just move on.
Nag-message na ang GMA Integrated News kay Pia at hinihintay na lang namin ang kanyang tugon. Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.
Thanks for watching Sophianatics. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at i-follow niyo ako sa aking social media accounts tulad ng Facebook, X na dating Twitter, Instagram at TikTok.